is in shambles. Shambles. Ever since I got back from university, all my nice stuff is in London, and my bedroom has not been looking good. So today I've decided to do something about that. Today I'm at Ikea, and I'm gonna be getting a bunch of stuff to hopefully make it nice, to hopefully make myself be able to record nice videos in it. This is gonna be how I turned my messy room with pretty much nothing in it to something decently looking where I can film my YouTube videos. I got a couple things that I need to get from Ikea, so I wrote them down on my phone. I gotta get a picture frame, lamps, some props that I can keep on a desk. I need to get a desk itself. I need to get legs for another desk. I want a 2-desk setup so that I could have like a table and then like a little background behind it. I need some fake plants, some wall organizers, and we're gonna see what else is in there. So let's keep going. We're gonna try to find some things that are budget friendly, don't break the bank, and still look good. That's why I chose Ikea, because I feel like Ikea has some good stuff on some good prices, and you can find some good sales there too. So now that I got all the stuff, it's in my room. Now it's time to clean it, build the Ikea furniture, set up the room, and I'll show you the finished product. You guys already saw how much of a shit show it was when I started, so you'll see the before and after. So this is it. After my Ikea run and a bunch of building, bunch of test shots, this is what I came up with. I think it doesn't look too bad. It's a huge step up from how the room was from before. It looks more than presentable. I'm happy with it for now. This is not going to be the final iteration, and I do plan on making some more upgrades, fine-tuning a few things, tweaking a few things here and there, especially with some of the lights in the background. But I'm happy with how it turned out after just one day and just one shopping trip at Ikea. So this is what I picked up. Picked up another desk, and this is like kind of like the desk that's in front. I can show products on here and have my normal desk at the back. I picked up some fake plants that you can see in the background over here. I picked up a lamp, which you can see over there. And then I picked up these like under light strips, and I think they look cool. I think they add a little bit of touch to the background and gives more of that depth. So those are things that I added that are in the shot. And outside the shot, I have a whole gear cart, and that's gonna help me organize a bunch of stuff so it's not lying on the floor, especially because most of my storage is in London right now, and I took it over there. I don't have anything here. So that storage cart, it's on wheels. It's gonna be a great easy way for me to just put my things there, not have to worry about it. And then I also have this big table kind of setup thing, and this is great because it's on wheels too. I can move it in and out of the way, and it has a cool texture to it. I can shoot some product shots on it like you're seeing right now, and it's also one more place for me to keep stuff that's just not on the floor. Overall, I would say this is a successful shopping trip, a successful little transformation of the bedroom. I'm going to be doing an in-depth tour of everything that you see here, so be sure you subscribe if you want to check that out, and I'll come back with another video. Thank you for watching. My name is Aryan. If you like this video, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.